Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily create a new quote in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Xero, and when you're going to be here, click on business menu, and here you want to click on quotes. Now when you're going to be here, you just want to simply click a new quote, and you just add here the customer. Then you can change like an item here. You can also add a new line, you can save it, you can copy it. And now what you want to do is just simply click send, and who you want it to send to. Okay, you can change like everything here, and then just click send here. You can also send me a copy. And voila, here you got it. If I would go to quotes, I could see it right here. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.